And the Tugboat Festival is beginning in Midland, and here is the press con. We're just going to scoot around here and get a look at her. And a lineup of the other ones that are here. They're about to get ready to do a little dusk light parade, which I think will be lovely. And the RAIN has held off, so I think we'll all be able to enjoy it. People are coming down the waterfront to see the light parade. It's a beautiful thing living on the harborfront community. You get to welcome all these amazing ships that come through, whether it is a cruise ship or an icebreaker or the tall ships that come every now and again, or the tugboats like this here. A true perk of being a resident of Southern Georgian Bay, and especially Midland, which has a harbor deep enough to accommodate. Hi, how's your evening? Hopefully we can capture some of that on video as well, the light show.